Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri dried turnip and chicken curry. Arre Gogje are the Kokur. This is one of the winter delicacies of Kashmir and it tastes really amazing. So let's get started. For making this delicacy, I have taken around 700 grams of chicken. I have taken chicken legs, you can take any cut. Then I have taken one garland of sun-dried turnips. Here you can see this way they are dried. They are cut round and then they are put in a garland and then sun-dried. Then I have taken oil around 1 cup that would be using for frying, and I have taken around 3-4 shallots, or you can take 1 onion. And other spices include 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of salt or according to your taste. Then I have taken 2 black cardamoms, 5 to 6 green cardamoms, a few cloves, cinnamon stick and cumin seeds. The first thing is I have heated up water and we have to add this gogje or dried turnips to it, and we have to bring them to boil. We have to boil them on high flame for around 7 to 10 minutes so that they become slightly soft and they are cleaned properly. Here you can see they have been boiling for a while, so I'll turn off the flame and drain this water. Now I have heated up oil and I'll be frying chicken. We have to deep fry chicken on both the sides. So here is the fried chicken, and this is the boiled gogje or dried turnips. Here you can see they are soft also. Now in a pot I have heated up oil and I'll be adding boiled dried turnips to it. We have to fry them. We have to take slightly more oil. So here you can see I have taken enough amount of oil. So once they are fried properly, we'll take them out from the oil, or you can remove the extra oil and spices then, but I'll take them out and make. Then I have kept around 2 tablespoons of oil and I'll be adding shallots, or you can add onion also if you don't have shallots or prawn. Once they are fried, we'll be adding other spices. First I'll be adding whole spices, cinnamon, green cardamom, black cardamom, cumin seeds, cloves, and I'll add a tablespoon of water so that they won't burn. I had mutton stock, I used that. You can use water instead. And then I'll be adding other spices, coriander powder, fennel seed powder, turmeric powder, chili powder. And then I'm using wur. I had taken 1 teaspoon of wur or Kashmiri spice cake in water. This is optional, you can skip it. And then I'm again adding mutton stock so that it won't burn. And then salt. And now I'll be adding fried turnips to it. So I let them cook for around 5 to 7 minutes because chicken tends to become softer quickly. So I'll cover it and let it cook. So they have been boiling for a while. Now I'll be adding chicken. At this stage you can check salt also, and now I'll let it cook for around 15 minutes. Here I'll keep medium flame and make sure the stock or water, whatever you have added, is covering all the chicken and gogje. Now here after 15 minutes our turnip and chicken is ready. Now I'll keep it on high flame for around 5 minutes, and gravy you can adjust according to your taste. This dish doesn't have much gravy, it has less. So here mouth-watering turnip and chicken is ready, or gogje or the kokur is ready. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.